Add butter. Another butter. Add chicken fats. Add soybean oil. Turn on the fire. Heat the oil, then add the veggies. Add green onions and onions. Squeeze it dry, then take it out. Add slices of ginger. Deep fry ginger until it dries. Add chili pepper. When temperature rises, add more chili peppers. Add sugar when the pepper is fried. Continue to mix. Add red beans. Add doubanjiang sauce. Stir-fry bean curd with bean paste. Add Sichuan peppercorn. Sauté the Sichuan peppercorns. Add spices. Add glutinous rice wine. Stir-fry spices and add rice wine. Smell the fragrance. Today's base hot pot is ready.